What's going on, everybody? It's Coach Reggie, aka Mr. Intensity. My job is to invoke thought and help awaken the world's consciousness one person at a time. I know that person will be you. Now you want to raise your vibration. You want to do it quickly because we're living in a microwave society and everything wants it fast. But let me tell you something right now. Anything worthwhile is going to take time and it's going to be a process. Because if that was the case, everybody would have it and nobody would want it. But there are little things you can do to raise your vibration another level within 7 days. Now, maybe it's not the level that you wanted to be at. That enlightenment level that you think is going to take like a month or something, or 6 months, it's going to take longer than that. But there are ways where you can raise your vibration in 7 days and feel a significant difference in the way you look at things in your life, okay? And before we get started, visit the website intensityfitnessunited.com, which is in the description, and whoever makes a purchase in the next 24 hours gets a free product that we haven't even launched. And if you're wondering what free products we're talking about, first we have a beefy bath bomb. All right, this bath bomb literally has so many essential oils. You feel great when you jump in the bathtub with this bad boy. We have some sugar scrubs you can put on your face. Oh, feel good and the moisturize. I ain't gonna say nothing. And this here is a foaming bath salt. And then we have a lotion bar that is not even on the website. These won't be on the website. These are only for my loyal customers when we get free giveaways from time to time. I am reserving it only for them. And let's get into raising your vibration in 7 days. Number one thing to do. Now, I know we haven't gotten into chakras yet, and we will shortly. But this has to do with your root chakra. Grounding, okay? Every morning and every night, I want you to go outside. I don't care how cold or how hot it is, with no shoes on. And I want you to walk on the ground. This is going to help activate your root chakra, right? And imagine yourself, all right, planting your feet as roots going into the earth. Do it every day, every night, for 15 minutes. And watch how your vibration rises, your frequency rises, or whatever you want. I'll just say vibration for this video, all right? Watch how it rises, all right? Your frequency, whatever you want to call it, all right? Number 2, and I'm going to go by level of importance, and they're all important. They all play a crucial role. You have to turn the television, the radio, or whatever you're listening to that does not serve you off. They put things on these screens that are intentionally there to lower your vibration. It's a fact. Just like you eat good food, you gotta listen to good stuff. If you wanna feed your spirit and feed your conscious and your subconscious, you have to watch what you're listening to until you're good, and still watch it after that. But do this for 7 days. Radio, TV, all right? And anything you listen to that does not serve you, all right? Only listen to things that do serve you. Normally, anything on TV is not going to serve you. Probably damn near all of it. It ain't going to serve you on TV. But you can definitely find things on YouTube which only serve your higher purpose. Try it. Try it. Try it. 7 days is all I ask. Tell me I'm lying. All right? Let's get into some nutrition. 3 things I want you to combine that's going to raise your vibration. Number 1, Harataki. I have Harataki, all right? Harataki, if you don't believe me, matter of fact, I'm not even going to say it. If you don't believe me, just go to the website and look at the reviews and tell me all the great experiences. Tell me they're lying if you're going to tell me I'm lying. Number 2, iodine. And I'm working on the iodine thing that's going to raise your vibration. Now, I have tried literally 7 different kinds of iodine, and all of them were watered down. Like, I felt nothing, and I'm a faster, so I feel things almost right away when I know they're working, all right? And I couldn't find one, so I'm working on something for iodine. Just give me some time. Number 3, listen, not chlorella, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, all right? So you combine chlorophyll, all right, iodine, and haritaki. Tell me I'm lying. Try it, and only do it as soon as you break your fast and then eat an hour after that, all right? I don't think, no, actually it's not even going to break your fast. It's too low in calories. It's not going to break your fast. So do it while you're fasted. Come think about it. Do it while you're fasted for 7 days and tell me how you feel after that. And if you need haritaki, I got it on my website, Beast Mode, all right? Number 3, you have to get outside in nature for at least a half an hour every single day. You have to. You have to get outside in nature. I don't care how cold it is. I don't care. Listen, find some grass, a grassy area, some wooded area that you feel comfortable walking in, because you know how we feel about the woods, right? I done found some woods I feel comfortable walking in, but y'all know how we feel about the woods. But get some nature in you, and I'm telling you right now, things will feel different. I want you to breathe in the air, and I want you to look at the sun. Only morning and evening when it's safest to look at, okay? All right, where are we on? 4? Number 4, I want you to start to learn about crystals, but some crystals I want you to think about getting, because you don't need like the whole bunch of crystals. You don't need like 1 million, but you need certain crystals. Now, the crystals that I have, all right, this is called Oregon, all right? This is called clear quartz crystal. This helps for manifestation. This is rose quartz crystal, as you see, rose quartz, all right? This is amethyst. This is good for the pineal gland. I actually put this big old, this is actually raw amethyst too. I put this on my actual, my forehead or my chest when I do my meditation. This is called lepidolite, all right? This is lepidolite. It's very small, but it's very powerful. When you actually touch and choose crystals, you're going to feel an energy, and when you'll know what the right crystal for you is. So you never let somebody choose your crystal. You can choose your own crystal and you'll feel energy. It's like talking to you, all right? They do have a life. This is amber, okay? This is amber right here. And this is called Super 7. This is a combination of 7 different crystals, and I literally hold this in my hands and I can feel my body vibrating. I'll put this on my chest sometimes, or I'll put this on my head, on my pineal gland. I actually lost my tanzanite. But listen, if you need to learn about crystals and chakras, seriously, because if you figure out which chakras that you have that you need to get online, because a lot of y'all have chakras offline, oh, boy, boy, boy. You'll thank me later, all right? Okay, I think we're on number 5. You are going to need to change the way you eat. If you eat death, you feel the void of life. You don't feel life. Now, even though I said in my previous video, I crave meat, that don't mean I eat it. I crave it, yeah, but I don't eat it. So you vegans who email me or whatever, that try to call my neck, listen, I was being honest. Can I be honest and not get crucified? Goddamn. All right? But listen, if you want to raise your vibration, you're going to have to start juicing and start eating plant-based foods for the 7 days straight. Get off of meat and watch how much more energy you have, because plants communicate with your soul, your spirit, your body, and you will feel more supercharged when you're eating plants. I guarantee it, all right? The next one, you're going to have to meditate. Meditation, people always tell me it's hard to do. It's a challenge, yes, but it isn't hard. Change the way you look at your words and the vibration your words hold, all right? Meditation is a challenge, not hard. The more you do it, the better you will get at it, all right? And I think this is the most important one. One of the most important ones, all right? You have to get away from people who do not serve you. I don't care if they're your friends. I don't care if they're your family. I'm not talking about like serving. I'm talking about serve your higher purpose. If you're a bunch of people that are still talking about things that don't serve you, that don't have your higher purpose in mind, or if you're around people who hate on you, or people who just are low vibrational, drama-filled people, you got to get away from those people. All right? 7 days, isolation from all those things that do not serve your higher self socially, mentally, spiritually, and physically, and watch the greatness that will start to occur in your life, because you'll start to see like, wow, If this could happen in 7 days, what could happen if I did it for 7 weeks and 7 months? And then your journey is going to really start, and it's going to really get fun. All right? So I'm telling you right now, try it out. Until the next video, this is Coach Reg, aka Mr. Intensity, and my job is to invoke thought and help awaken the world's consciousness one person at a time. I know that person will be you.